Hey guys, Jeff, Retro Rides, working on Cody's truck here. It's been a bit of a challenge to say the least. Here's our carnage here. Ended up with 2 bent push rods, flat cam, damaged rocker, plug wire issue, and an oil pressure issue. So we found out it had a flat cam. Had like a 520 oil in it, synthetic, which is kind of a no-no on these old flat tappet motors, but put the new cam in it, put some VR1, it's hot rod style motor oil in it. It's got the zinc and everything in it. Went to go break it in, and we still had an oil pressure issue. So pulled the pan off of it and found that, never quite seen this, but on the main cap where the oil pump goes on to the cap, there was like an 1/8 inch divot in the cap where the oil pump supplies the engine with oil. So I thought it was a home run. I was like, oh yeah, that's cool. We fixed that and put it back together, and it had better oil pressure, but still had an oil pressure issue. And doing all this stuff, you know, these cams are remarkably sensitive. You're supposed to break them in 30 minutes, 2,000 to 2,500 RPM, and we lost the new camshaft. So it's supposed to look like this, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yeah, this is the cam that was in it with the wrong motor. Got to do it all over again. It was cool though, because Comp Cam's warrantied it. Now it's got oil pressure. We broke it in this morning. Sounds good, and hopefully we'll be shipping this one home today. But yeah, nonetheless, it was a bit of a challenge. It seemed like every time you'd turn around, there'd be something else. And it was something that was fairly severe, you know, like the oil pressure issue, like the bent push rods, like the bent cam, like the rocker that was worn almost through. So sounds good now though. So it's got a good lope to it, and it's got good oil pressure, and hopefully Cody will be stoked on the outcome of this one. But yeah, it was a bit of a challenge to say the least, but yeah, it's good now. So they're supposed to be flat like this, and this one's got a big old, you can see how it's just all crowned and everything. This is what it came in with.
Oh, that's what it came in with.
Yeah, so the new cam that we put in only lost 1 lobe on it, which is, they say if you're going to lose a cam on break-in, it's going to do it right away, and it did. So yeah, but that's a wall-worthy material right there, especially this one. This is a good one right there.